Namaskar and good afternoon to all of you. At the very outset, we would like to offer our gratitude to Mrs. Priyanka Roy Chaudhary, IDS ISA Coordinator, Secondary School from South City International School, for her frequent support and regular correspondence for ISA Project 2. I would also like to offer our gratitude to Mr. Ritvikar, art teacher, and Mrs. Arijita Dasgupta, biology teacher from South City International School for providing their valuable guidance to students for mass task activity. Special thanks to Mr. Andrew Bagul, Principal, South City International School, for promoting international learning through ISA activities. And a very special thanks to the students of South City International School. We have some special guests from British Council to witness our ISA collaboration with South City International School, and we would like to offer our gratitude to them too. We have Ms. Beena Koirala, BCSA, Ms. Richa Regmi, and Mr. Prem Chetri. We are very much delighted to be able to speak to you all as our ISA partner school in West Bengal. We are delighted to be collaborating with such a friendly teachers and loving students from South City International School. And we hope to share a lot from this educational journey together. For today's meeting, we have students from grade 8, 9, and 10. We have total of 6 presenters, our dedicated technical support team of students, teaching staff of LRI, International Coordinator for ISA, Mr. Samir Bomzam, and our respected principal, Mr. Devkan Joshi, along with founder trustee, ma'am, Mr. Yashodhara Panta. I would now request our technical team head, Sandesh Kafle or Akrish Thakur, to share screen. Learning Realm International School welcomes South City International School. Long live the relation between Learning Realm International School and South City International School. It is the second time that LRI is collaborating with South City International School. For the first time, the collaboration was done with grade 5 students and the teachers for project number 5, Let's Join the Carnival on the Street, Gai Jatra. The collaboration was liked by people associated with LRI School. We highly appreciate the frequent support which we are getting from the staff and students of South City International School, and we look forward for our future endeavors with South City International School. For this year, LRI School is working for 7 different projects, and we are dealing with project number 2, that is ABC Approach for Better Life. Maintaining cleanliness is an essential part of healthy livelihood. It reflects one's personality, and especially during the time of COVID-19, it has proven to be one of the essential aspects. We believe in practical knowledge gaining ideology, and the various activities of Project ABC surely made this thing possible. As we are commencing this meeting during the class hours, we managed to get few of our teaching staff with us. Although we had a team of teachers who supervise students to carry on with the various activities efficiently. And I would like to introduce to our team of teachers. From the Department of English, we had Mrs. Poonam Thapa and Ms. Hira Devi Lama. From the Department of Nepali, we had Mr. Bhojraj Joshi and Mr. Bhimnath Sharma. From the Department of Science, we had Mr. Anand Kumar Sreshta, Mr. Naveen Kathayat, and Ms. Barsha Karmacharya. From the Department of Math, we had Mr. Amrit Hital, Mr. Lakshman Sitaula, and Mr. Suman Basnet. Similarly, from the Department of Social and Health and Physical Education, we had Mr. Hansraj Khatri, who is also the project coordinator of ISA project number 3, Helping Hand for Better Society, and Mr. Shukadev Tripathi. Well, that was all for the first part of our program schedule. Now, moving ahead, I would like to invite Mrs. Priyanka Roy Chaudhary, IDS ISA Coordinator, Secondary School, to begin with her part of speech, followed by a presentation from students of South City International School. Over to you, ma'am.